Every day, thousands of drivers are involved in car accidents. As a result, there's a very high demand for competent and skilled automotive body technicians. The Automotive Collision program at Georgia Northwestern Technical College provides comprehensive training in the collision and refinishing industries. Students learn how to repair, restore, and add custom features to modern and classic automobiles. The program is taught at the Floyd County campus of Georgia Northwestern Technical College.
I enjoy it. It gives me the opportunity to be able to see what I've actually done myself, and give me the opportunity to repair something that's been broken, and I can say I've done it with my hands.
Graduates of the program are not only qualified for positions as collision repair technicians and automotive refinish technicians, they also may pursue careers in estimating, sales, and management.
At Georgia Northwestern Technical College, I got all the skills that I needed to be successful in this business.
Jerry Roden is the manager of the Auto Collision Center at Courtesy Ford Lincoln in Rome, Georgia. Jerry says that the program at GNTC prepares students by using the same industry standard equipment found in most body shops.
They definitely have the most modern equipment, frame repair, measurement. They have the same tools that I have in my toolbox. They have anything from body repair to spray equipment. Everything's up to date, everything is modern.
Students have the option of pursuing either a diploma or a certificate. The class attracts students from all walks of life.
It's top of the line tools, top of the line frame machine. It's everything that you need. It's everything you're going to use once you go into a body shop.
There's actually a shortage of people that can repair a vehicle. There's a shortage of people that can paint vehicles. This industry is hungry for people that have knowledge and have ability to fix cars.
Automotive Collision offers numerous employment opportunities and above-average wages. The demand for skilled automotive technicians will continue to grow as new automotive designs are becoming more complex.
I love everything about it. It's just a good class. You've got everything you need here. You got your tools. You've got great teachers. You make a lot of friends. It's just everything, really. You got everything you need is here that you need to have. And that's what makes it easy.
If you enjoy working with your hands, picking up old pieces, making them look new, whether it be a car, motorcycle, any type of body work that's being done to a vehicle, if you enjoy seeing a vehicle look good, then I advise you to step into this program.
To find out more about GNTC's Auto Collision Repair program, visit our website or give us a call for more information.